Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am in this 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat Jailbreak. Super excited to be in this one. It's in plum crazy purple and it just looks gorgeous. This has 20-inch Devil's Rim brass monkey wheels and wrapped in 305 Pirelli P0 tires. And this video I'll be giving my first impressions on it. I've had it for about a day now. And I have it for a week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The Jailbreak is the model that you can customize anything you want on this car, from the seats to the seat belts to the carpets to the exterior badges to these brake calipers here that are gray. It literally is unlimited options. This one has the brass monkey Hellcat emblem up here in the front. And yeah, this just looks sharp. I get thumbs up and people just gawking over this car all the time. So let's quickly go ahead and look at the interior here. So this interior is finished in Hammerhead gray. It's a very nice, comfortable leather seats that are heated and ventilated. The seat belt's also Hammerhead gray as well, along with these floor mats. Power seats as well. Back seat, you have plenty of room. I'll cover more of this stuff in my final review. Rear heated seats with a couple USB ports, a couple map pockets back there. Decent sized trunk to put some stuff in. So on the hood is the 6.2 liter supercharged HEMI V8, and that's mated to a ZF 8-speed transmission. Makes over 700 horsepower, and currently with this configuration, it's making about 717 horsepower. Plenty of power, and I'm very happy with it. Transmission and everything is smooth. This just drives like a normal Charger with a boatload of power. Also notice here the Charger last call badge here. It's a shame that these are going away. They have an end of an era, and it's actually really sad that this stuff is going away. So buy them while you can. All right, enough of me blabbering. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a quick spin. Like I said, please stay tuned for the... Man, that sounds great. Please stay tuned for the full review, which will be coming out next week. This is just a first impressions video. You know, you got your standard 2015 Dodge Charger interior here. Nothing's really changed over the years. It just works. Nice quality materials. Do get your, you know, tiered glove box here. You know, your center console, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I mean, the backup camera is pretty much straight out of 2015. It's pretty bad. And yeah, memory seats, you know, Alcantara steering wheel, which is very comfortable, metal paddle shifters. But all right, let's just go ahead and take this thing for a spin. It's gonna start raining here at my location here pretty soon, so it's a race against time to see if I can beat the rain. Don't really want to be out in the rain in this thing. 700 horsepower rear-wheel drive car in the rain is not usually a good mix. So overall, first impressions over the past day have been great. This just drives like pretty much like a normal Charger. It's, you know, a very comfortable cruiser. The seats are comfortable. The suspension's very comfortable. It doesn't bounce you all over the road with these huge rims. And yeah, it's just a nice daily driver. I can't believe I'm saying this, but you could definitely daily drive this thing. And then, you know, when you want the power, you just put the foot down and you're already up to speed. That was like 50% power. I mean, this thing just gets up and goes. I've had a lot of people in here, my wife, some few friends in the back, and they were surprised as well of just how comfortable this vehicle is to take on a road trip or something. This wide body with the 305s definitely helps with handling. You can throw this thing into a corner pretty nicely and it's not going to care at all. I was able to throw it into some roundabouts at pretty much the speed limit of the road, and it wasn't even phased at all. Now you do get these paddle shifters here that you can shift the transmission manually. Pretty responsive. You know, it's not a DCT, but the ZF 8-speed transmission It's quick to shift, and it's perfect. It's fine. See if I can do a quick launch control. Just press launch here. To launch, press brake quickly and apply full throttle. Yeah, you just sit and spin. It just shut me down there and just puts it to the side. It's just a lot of power. You really need, in order to launch this thing, you really need to take it to like a drag strip or just have a stickier set of tires on the back. It's not a 0 to 60 car by any means. It's definitely 60 and beyond. Like I said, I've had this for a day and a half, and I've already burned almost a half a tank of fuel, which is absolutely insane. The supercharger sound is just intoxicating. This car begs you to just put the throttle down and go. It's not a car to be driven lightly. You do get some performance pages here in the infotainment. It does take a while for them to load, but nowhere near as what it did back in 2015, which is nice. As you can see, it just pulled up here. You would have had to wait like another minute back in 2015 for that to load. You know, there's different timers, gauges, and stuff you can choose from. Obviously, you're not going to be looking at it while you're, you know, trying to really push the thing pretty hard, but it's nice to see that this is available here. This thing here retails for about $90,000, and for that price I would love to see some, you know, something like adaptive cruise control, because I mean you could literally take this on a road trip, and being able to have adaptive cruise control would definitely be a plus. And just like that, you're up to 60 miles an hour. It's crazy how fast this thing is. You know, you definitely need to take it to a track to get the most out of this car, and being able to actually use the power. Because just putzing around, you know, the streets and stuff, yeah, it's fun and stuff, but it's just a lot for the street. It's so sad to see this go away. I was just out of high school when the Hellcats came out, and to see, you know, these go away makes me really sad. You know, as the car community just loves these things, and it's just the end of an era, the sad end of an era, unfortunately. On my full review, which will be coming up very soon, we'll go into a more in-depth tour. We'll have a longer drive, some places to do more acceleration runs and take some curves, and really kind of see what this thing's all about. But I wanted to get this first impressions video up just to show you what it's been like to live with for a day. If you're not careful, the rear end will come around pretty quick in this car. You know, the amount of torque is absolutely insane in this thing, and if you're not careful going around a corner and you hit the gas, you'll definitely get some oversteer. I did get to test the stereo a little bit. This thing has the 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and it's okay. And I'm not quite sure I would opt for it over the Alpine system. I haven't really dabbled in the settings to adjust the equalizer or anything yet. Infotainment, to say the least, you could do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's very responsive, other than the performance pages taking forever to load. Like I said, you do get a heated steering wheel, heated seats, and vented seat, both driver and passenger, which is very nice. And yeah, no real complaints here. Just like I said, just the same old 2015 Dodge Charger interior. Nothing's really changed in this thing at all. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions of video of this 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat Jailbreak. I have enjoyed my time in it so far. Stay tuned, a full POV review will be uploaded here within the next week. I ended up beating the rain, which is nice, and we were able to get a pretty good first impressions video, I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you guys super sad that this is going away? Are you guys, what's your opinions? What's your thoughts? Are you guys ready for the EV trend going on? I'm not sure if I'm ready, because just listen to that. I can sit and listen to that all day long. Alright guys, stay tuned for another video. Follow me on Instagram at Paul's Place YT for some additional content, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.